Diego with Classic Cars TV. We are at Barrett-Jackson 2024 at Scottsdale. I'm going to talk to you about this 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge, but first, a word from our sponsors.
Life is too short to drive foreign cars!
So what we have here is a 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge. This car is painted in mint turquoise, which is the rarest GTO color for 1970, other than Orbit Orange, which was Judge specific. What's cool about mint turquoise, otherwise, is it's actually beautiful, but how is it the rarest color in 1970? I have no idea, but maybe it's not a high performance color to people from that year. I was not around then, so I have no idea. The stripes for mint turquoise are the pink, orange, blue stripes, which really pop out. It's absolutely gorgeous to me. I know to some people it's tacky. Of course, since this is a Judge, it's got the Ram Air 3 engine standard. You can see it has the black scoops, which were part of the Judge package. It's got the black grille. It's got the Rally 2s without trim rings. But what's really interesting about this Judge, other than the color, is that it has a red interior, which was not a recommended color combination for GTOs in 1970. So this one was special ordered. It's also a Canadian car, so it has GM of Canada documentation. So this car goes way out there as far as a lot of cool stuff about it. Thank you for watching Classic Cars TV. Again, I'm Diego, and be sure to check out our websites, classiccars.com and autohunter.com. If you want a car like this, you can go to those websites, as well as comment and tell us your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, press that button on YouTube as well. Thank you.